Because soiled or contaminated protective gear can increase your risk of exposure to toxic substances, it is essential to keep your turnout gear clean. 1. Gently brush or lightly hose gear to remove the large gross contaminants following overhaul. 2. Separate the outer shells from the liner system and remove the drag rescue device. Look for deep stains, tears, holes, and other damage. Turn the liner inside out for cleaning and close all of the outer shell zippers, clasps, and hook and loop tapes. Always wear gloves and eye protection. 3. Pre-treat heavily soiled or spotted areas prior to machine laundering. Wash your shells and liners separately following NFPA guidelines in a front loader washer extractor. Do not use an agitator. 4. Once your gear is done washing, inspect it again. If the gear is not clean, then repeat step 3. 5. Air dry your gear in an area with good ventilation or in a drying cabinet and away from direct sunlight. If you machine dry, choose the no heat or air dry setting. 6. When the gear is fully dry, follow the manufacturer's instructions to reassemble. 7. Store your clean gear in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight and sources of indoor light. Avoid hot or cold temperatures and airtight containers. When you follow these 7 steps, you'll put your safety first. We're MSA, and when you go in, we go in with you. To learn more, visit us online.